SOAR stock, is this the right time to buy? I am going to answer everything around this in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Volato Group stock sitting at 14% gains. That's how my chart looks like. And for context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and I've documented everything. SOAR, since the price broke structure here once, then the same thing happened on the lower time frame, I was like, right, if I see a proper double break, I'm taking things up, but it just never did. So the double break just never happened, never occurred. That's why now we kind of retraced lower. And this does not mean that I'm necessarily going to randomly buy, but if I see a double break, then it's a bullish chart. Now, I also don't like how volatile this thing is. It's not volatile at all. So I want to see more movement. I want to see more volume. But sometimes, the timing is not going to be fine for me to buy. So I'll just obviously need to wait, which is this case right now. So I'll definitely continue to keep you updated and only be bullish if there is a proper double break. That's about how SOAR looks like for me. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.